Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learn English language. Errors in English language. Rule number 1. Nouns which show numbers do not add s or es. These nouns are used for both singular and plural in the same way. तादाद ज़ाहिर करने वाले मुतअद्दिद नामों के साथ एस या एस का इजाफा नहीं होता. एग्जाम्पल्स हैं इसकी डज़न, स्कोर, million, billion, 100, 1000, etc. And in sentences, Talha gave me 500 rupees. Hundreds is incorrect. Talha gave me 500 rupees. This is correct. And next example is several thousands people were gathered in the fair. This is incorrect. Several thousand people were gathered in the fair. This sentence is correct. नेक्स्ट अगर इन नाउन्स के बाद ऑफ आए तो उनके साथ एस का इजाफा होता है. एग्जाम्पल ही अर्न्स हंड्रेड्स ऑफ डॉलर्स अ वीक. इनकरेक्ट. He earns hundreds of dollars in a week. Correct. You have saved millions of rupees. Correct. Her hens lay dozens of eggs daily. This is also correct.